Hello, my name is Bruno, and today I will present about my amazing potatoes. So it was dawn and I was very hungry, and I decided to make something really delicious to eat. I opened the freezer at home and saw that there were some wave potatoes. So I had an amazing idea and put the potatoes in the air fryer. While the potatoes was heating up, I was shredding a piece of mozzarella into many strips. And after 20 minutes, the potato was ready. So I got a plate and put the potatoes in the plate. Then I put the strip of cheese on the top, on the top of the potatoes, and I put this plate with potatoes and strips of mozzarella in the microwave. Then I just seasoned on it and added salt, ketchup, mayonnaise, and pepper. And was so wonderful. These potatoes, amazing potatoes.